Hey guys, welcome back to another new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Google AI Studio and how you can create amazing images, and it's completely free. So if you are using first time Google AI Studio, just search on Google AI Studio on Google and just land into this website. So just sign in with your Gmail account and you will find the chat prompt, welcome to AI Studio. Okay, so this is the option where you can chat with Google AI Studio and you can use this. But if you want to create videos or images, so definitely you have to click on generate media, and in this section you will find imagine. This is the newly launched on Google model. Here you can see our best image generation model yet engineered for creativity. This is new. You will find Vio, also you will find the Gemini image generation. Okay, so you can try this imagine. So today I'm going to show you how you can create images using imagine. So click on that. Okay, so in this section describe your image. That's mean you need a image prompt. So you can use ChatGPT, Gemini or other DeepSeek, find your great image prompt, or you can write it over here. And right hand section you can see imagine 4. This is new. Also you can select ultra preview. Okay, and number of images is 1 as free model, and aspect ratio if you want to create for your thumbnail, so you can select 16:9. Also you can select for TikTok reels video from image to video, so you can select 9:16. So I'm going to select 16:9 as a YouTube thumbnail for big images. Okay, and let's go back to ChatGPT. Okay, and click on new chat and ask ChatGPT to create a great prompt. So it's depend on you what kind of images do you want to produce. So let's see, we want to produce a product images for e-commerce like dropshipping or e-commerce, any other businesses you want to images. That's mean. Okay, so as a beginner entrepreneur, definitely you need images to promote your product. So let's see, we are creating a perfume, and it's like a looks really realistic. Okay, so I don't know how we can write the prompt, but we can ask ChatGPT to write this prompt. Okay, so let's copy the image prompt over here, and also you can add in your brand name, your logo or text. Okay, so if you need it, so you can do it very easily. So let's copy the image prompt and let's go back to Google AI Studio and click on that and paste up all the prompts over here. Okay, so I think it's really good. So let's click on run. So I think within a few seconds you can generate 4K ultra realistic luxury square perfume bottle. Okay, so here we go, it's perfectly done. So background black, smoky, ultra realistic, have a look this. Okay, so also you can add a logo on that. So you can, so how you can do this, so I'm going to show you. So okay, so add a text as a brand name with the bottle. So text, you can write a text over here. So I'm going to write, all right. Also you can define the font style, handwritten or luxury serif or minimal sans serif. So I think handwritten is perfect. Also you can luxury serif. Okay, so just copy the text and paste it here. So I think, so let's copy again the prompt over here and go back to Google AI Studio. Okay, so I think I'm going to download this image. All right, and just remove this text, paste it here again and click on run. So let's generate our second images. Okay, so this is pretty cool. You can use this tool Google AI Studio and you can generate the images. Here you can see you and me, perfectly done. Okay, so this is the image. Here you can see that's amazing, 4K ultra HD, perfectly designed. So you can use these images as your product images. Also you can use these images for your TikTok promotion or TikTok ads, Google ads or Facebook ads, YouTube ads. That's really fantastic. Okay guys, so I think it would be great for your as an entrepreneur or a business owner. Okay, also you can create a video, using this kind of images. Okay, so next video, the coming next video, very soon I will create how we can generate image to video. Okay, so I will show you the exactly same image and I will convert it into video, and I think that would be really nice. And make sure the aspect ratio, so 16:9, that's a big size images. Also you can create 1:1 for Instagram. Okay, also you can create for reels, TikTok, or shorts video images. Then you can select 9:16. So I think you got it. Alright guys, so if you find this video is helpful really, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification and comment below if you have any queries, and I will come back with new tutorials very soon. So stay tuned in the next video. Have a good day.